So here students, let us continue our work with question number 2. We will write the question in the dash form. Now certain numbers are given to us and we have to write these numbers in the international place value chart, which we have studied in the previous video, and also write these numbers in the words. So we are going to do the same thing. We are going to make a international chart now for all the numbers. Right? How many periods? Yes, 3 periods. How many places in each period? 3 places in each period. And first of all, we write all the numbers. Right? Here we'll write numbers and I divide it into 3 periods. Right? We can divide further into 3 places. Pick up your scale, sharpen pencil and make straight lines. Beautiful work we have to do, right? So now we will write. First of all, let me write the numbers which are given to me. 652104. The B part given to me is 41258 and 9. C part is 60258 and 3. And the D part is 96325 and 8. Now let me write the periods. We have ones, thousands, millions. Let me write the places. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So we put commas also according to their place values. So it is only the 1,000 places given to me, 652,104. Then it is 412, 589. Children, let me just explain to you. Now this is the ones period and this is the 1,000 period. Right? This is the ones period, this is the 1,000 period. So here, how do we read it? When I say you there are 3 places, it means ones, tens, 100. So how will you read it? You will read it as 412. And after reading it as 412, you put the name of the period over there. So it will be 412 thousands. Got it? So this is the way I am reading it. Clear? Alright. So the third one is 602 and 583. And dear children, the fourth one is 963,258. I am not having any number in the millions period. So I am not even writing it. To write it in words, 652104. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So as I just described, we will read it together. Right? 652. Now I have to write the name of the period. This is the ones period, this is the 1,000 period. So what I will write, 652 thousands. Once I speak it as 652, right? Then I write the period name, thousands, 104. We do not write the name of the period of the ones in both the systems. 104. Right? Let us have one more sum. So this is again ones period. This is 1,000 period. I am writing for your support. You can write it or you can skip it, your own wish. Normally we don't write it. I am just writing for so that you people come to know what I am doing. Right? This part is not required to write in the notebook. If you want for one sum or two, you can for a practice. But then recall it that ways only. Right? So this is 412 and 589. Right, students? So the part number C and D, self-attempt. Part number C and D is self-attempt. Now let us quickly come to question number 3. The question number 3, children, please read it in your books. The question says, draw the Indian and the international face value charts and write each of the following numbers in both the charts. Now in this question, children, we are not supposed to write it in words. We just have to draw the charts. Got it? So we will make both the charts. I am going to make it, divide my screen vertically into two parts for you. You can make it one below each other. Got it? But I will, so that you can visualize it, right? I will draw both the charts parallel. You can make one chart neatly in the complete notebook, and after that you can make, below it you can make another chart. Got it? These two lines for the yes, right? Here I will write numbers. Correct? Okay. So first of all, let me break it into, this is my Indian, left side is Indian, so we break it into 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is going to be broken into 3, right? Got it? Now let me write the numbers. This is, children, Indian, and this is international. One is Indian, one is international, right? So here it is 684012. Then you have 2184589. Then you have 530 7634, and the last one you have 7184965. Right? Let me fill up the periods. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, thousands, millions. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So in the Indian system, you can put commas as per the Indian system. 3, 2 and 2. 3, 2 and 2. We start putting commas from the extreme right towards the left hand side. So now it is 6,84,012. This is 21,84,589. This is 53,07,634. This is 71,84,965. If the same numbers I am supposed to write in the international system, you can write the numbers again, add one more column if you are doing it below. Add one more column, write numbers again. Now, for writing the numbers again, children, I will also have to put the comma accordingly, right? So it will be 684,012. It will be 2,184,589. This will be 5,307,634. This will be 7,184,965. I will write numbers again for you. 684,012, 2,184,589, 5,307,634, 7,184,965. You can put commas as per the international system now, and then you can fill up the required table like this. Got it, children? This is A, B, C and D. So this completes your 3 questions. I again repeat, children, Indian system, 4 periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. International system, 3 periods, ones, thousands, millions. Places 3, 2, 2. Places 3, 3. Please understand it carefully, practice it thoroughly, and then move on. The last question of this exercise to be done in the books. Number name is given to us. We have to write the number. It is 204,601. 204,000, the period finishes 601. 1 million. So 1 million. It's only 1 million. 10 million or 100 million absent hai. So we will not write it. Million period finishes, a comma will come. 204,000. 1,000 period, all three places finish, comma will come. 101. 7 million. Period finishes, comma, 407. Nothing is given in the thousands place. 407. Nothing is given in the 1,000 period. So all the 3 zeros will be coming there. So children, we end the exercise over here. Any doubts, please feel free to write me on my mobile number and practice a lot. Thank you.